everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we will be using this faux gift box that I found at Dollar Tree, and I found it in the plus section. And of course it does not light up, but by the end of the video it will. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm going to remove the tag, of course. And I'm not a fan of the greenery. You can keep it green if you want to, that's up to you. But I think I want to remove this, and as you can see, they have hot glued it in the center, so let's see if we can remove this. I went ahead and used my scissors and just cut the glue from inside. And now let's see if we can get this to come out. Okay, good, this is what we have. Okay, so I like these, so I'm going to leave these in place. So what I want to do now is just accent the ribbon a little bit more. So I think I'm going to add this right in the center just to give it some bling. I could also use some mirror tiles, and again, Dollar Tree does have mirror tile now. They have the 5x5 millimeter and the 10x10. So let's just put this here. It should stick okay. And I'm going to do it on each ribbon. Okay guys, so I didn't have enough of the other bling, so I went ahead and used this. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, I went ahead and used that instead. And now I'm just going to slide this back in place. Let me see if my glue gun is ready. While that's heating up, I found these Christmas flowers that they normally carry at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put these in place of the greenery that I took away. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the flowers away. Ready? So let's go ahead and just glue this down. So now I'm going to take a flower and just glue this right in the center. Okay guys, so back to our box. I wanted to make it a little bit more decorative, so I ran to Dollar Tree and picked up this bow. It says 2 bows. So we have just the regular bow, and then we have this little part. I only want this part. So let's go ahead and remove this. It says peel off the back end. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and trim this out, make it a whole lot smaller than what it is. So now I just want to figure out where I want it. Maybe here, maybe there. So I'm going to add some hot glue to the back, like so, and put it right under there. I also have some Dollar Tree ornaments. I'm just going to go ahead and cut away the string and glue it right under here. Okay guys, so yeah, I think that's pretty good. To light up our box, I found this light at Dollar Tree, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. It's really bright. So what I'm going to do is just turn this on, and we are going to use this to light up our box. I don't know if you can tell the difference since I put the light in there. I'm going to go ahead and put this on display and let you guys see what it looks like. And finally, here's my semi-completed box. I say semi because I want to change the ribbon. I think an opaque, shiny ribbon would have more of an impact. So I'll post the updated gift box on the community tab this weekend. Okay guys, so moving on to the next DIY. I also found this at Dollar Tree in the plus section. So what I'm going to do with this is make this into a candle holder, and to do that I'll be using a coaster mold, and you can find them at Dollar Tree as well. They also have them. They're a little bit smaller. I'm not using this one because I want it to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to eventually put it on top of here, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use one of the ones I already have at home. I'm also going to use some of this Dollar Tree resin for the first time. I have a Dollar Tree cup. I'm going to mix it for about 3 minutes. And it says the work time on this is 30 minutes. So you have 30 minutes to mess around with it before it starts to harden up. This is my first time using the Dollar Tree resin. Hopefully it works okay. Let's just go ahead and use 2 cups just in case. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and mix them both together. Siri, set me a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes starting now.
Okay guys, so back to our snow globe. Go ahead and remove the tag. Now, I am going to be using some of these Dollar Tree, they call them disco towels. I always just call them mirror towels. And these are the 5 by 5 millimeter. So I'm just going to go ahead and open these up. And I'm going to wrap these around the base. Now you can decorate it with glitter or the Dollar Tree bling. You can pretty much use whatever you want, or you can just spray paint it. It's up to you. So I'm just going to open this up, cut one strip off, remove the back, and I'm going to go right around. That for the first row. Now I'll continue to go all the way around. Again, I'm going to start in the back. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. It took 2 packs of these 5 by 5 millimeter sheets from Dollar Tree. Okay, so far this has cost me $7.50. $5 for this and $1.25 for each pack of the mirror towel. So yeah. The next thing we will need is a pack of these little Martini glasses from Dollar Tree. You only need the base of 1. And what I'm going to do is glue this on top of here, but I need to remove this piece. So I'm going to use my hot knife to remove that. But if you don't have a hot knife, you can use like an old knife or old butter knife or something like that you might have in the kitchen. So I'm going to cut this out and then we'll glue it on top of here. Okay guys, so again, I'm going to take my hot knife and just cut this piece out the middle. I gotta cut a little bit more out. Okay, so I had to cut all of that out, and then I'm going to cut this off. And now I'm just going to put some glue right inside here. That directly in the center, and tape it down. So now I'll let this sit up overnight, and then come back and finish our candle holder. Okay guys, so I let this set up overnight, and now I'm going to remove the tape. Now, before we add the final piece on, I want to add one of these acrylic discs, and I found these at Amazon, and you guys have seen me use these in previous DIYs. I have quite a few left over. And I'm using this because I feel like it will stabilize the top piece even more. I went ahead and just removed the protective covering. So I'm going to glue this on top of here. And I'm going to use some of my Gorilla Glue, of course. So I'm going to let this dry for about 3 hours. And then I'll come back and complete our picnic, guys. So I'm back, and it has been a few hours, and now you can see that this is really glued on there firmly. Now, back to our Dollar Tree resin and the coaster. This is my first time using Dollar Tree resin, and I think it's pretty good. Wow, not too bad. I see a few bubbles. I probably could have put the cup of resin in some warm water to help those bubbles break up. But yeah, I'm impressed with how it turned out. considering again it's Dollar Tree resin. So what I'm going to do is glue this on here. But before we glue that in place, I want to put some mirror towel around here as well. So this is my third pack of Dollar Tree mirror towel. And I'm going to cut 2 rows at a time. Let's give that a try. Okay, turned out pretty good. Almost a perfect fit. Perfect. So this is the part that's open. I want this to be on top. Just like that. That's so cute. Let's just go ahead and put this right around the edge. Right in the center. Okay, that looks pretty even to me. So now I'm going to allow this to set up a few hours, and then I'm going to actually come back and turn this on. It lights up and the snow actually blows. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like once this sets up.
Hi, this is Eden and I'm taking over the ending for my mama. I love how she gave it a makeover because it looks really beautiful and gorgeous. The lighting and the music really surprised me and I think I might take it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
We'll
see you in the next one.